for joining in. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I created this very warm monochromatic makeup look. So let's get started. First, I'm prepping up my lip with an e.l.f. tinted lip balm. It's in the shade Peach. Now to prep my skin, I'm gonna use this 111 Skin Rose Gold Radiance Boosting Serum. After applying it, I will wait for it to get all soaked up. Now I am applying a moisturizer. This is a gel moisturizer from Swatches Skin. To prime my skin, I'm applying this Ordinary High Spreadability Fluid Primer. I am focusing it on the center of my face. For my foundation, I'm applying Ordinary Coverage Foundation and will blend it in with a wet beauty sponge. Create a full coverage makeup look, so I'm going a little bit heavy-handed with my concealer. I'm applying this concealer to the highest point of my face and to highlight my under eye. To set the concealed area of my face, I'm applying this loose setting powder with the same beauty sponge. Now I'm setting my face with this setting spray. Now to get back dimension, I'm applying this bronzer to the side of my nose, to my forehead, to my jawline and to the hollow of my cheekbone. Now I'm shaping and filling up my brows with e.l.f. Brow Kit. For my transition shade, I'm applying this burnt orange color to my crease and little bit above my crease with a fluffy blending brush. Now I'm gonna apply this shade to my entire eyelid and to my crease. With a C-shaped brush, I'm applying this shimmery orange shade in the center of my eyelid. Now to deepen up my outer V and my crease, I'm applying this shade. applying my transition shade to my lower lash line and connecting it with the upper transition shade. And now applying the outer V shade close to my lower lash line. Now with this shimmery shade, I will highlight my brow bone and my inner eye corner. To highlight my face, I am applying this shade Seychelles from Huda Beauty Highlighter Palette. I'm using this shade as my blush today. Now I'm lining up my eyes with a liquid eyeliner pen. Now I'm curling up my lash with e.l.f. eyelash curler. To set my brows and give them a bushy look, I'm applying this mascara to my brows. I'm applying a pair of falsies and then will apply one coat of mascara to my upper and lower lashes. Now I'm applying my liquid lipstick. And this is it. Here's the finished look. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for joining in, and I will see you soon. Bye.